DJI introduces new Mavic 3 Enterprise series. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, drone and camera technology leader DJI unveiled its new DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series. The series' two new portable commercial drones, the DJI Mavic 3E and DJI Mavic 3T, are based on DJI's flagship Mavic 3 series and are designed to fulfill a wide range of use cases. The highly compact drones can be carried in one hand and rapidly deployed, and boast a flight time of 45 minutes. Powerful, portable commercial drones. Our mission at DJI Enterprise is to make our drone and camera technology accessible so organizations around the world can do their work better. The Mavic 3 Enterprises series delivers that promise with a powerful all-in-one solution that can get the job done in an easier, smarter, and safer way, said Christina Zhang, Senior Director of Corporate Strategy at DJI. The Mavic 3 Enterprise will prove to be an extremely valuable and beneficial tool for environmental and wildlife protection, construction, surveying, energy, public safety, and countless other fields. The DJI Mavic 3E portable commercial drone allows for highly efficient mapping and surveying operations while foregoing the need for ground control points. Combining a 20MP wide-angle camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor with large 3.3 micrometers pixels, as well as an intelligent low-light mode, the Mavic 3E provides increased performance in dim conditions. Its up to 56x hybrid zoom camera has 162mm focal length for 12MP images, as well as a mechanical shutter to prevent motion blur and support rapid 0.7-second interval shooting. Designed for assisting firefighting, search and rescue, inspections and night missions, the DJI Mavic 3T features the Mavic 3ES 48MP camera with a half-CMOS sensor, alongside a thermal camera with a display field of view, DFOV, of 61 degrees and a 40mm focal length with 640 by 512 px resolution. Its thermal camera supports point and area temperature measurement, high-temperature alerts, color palettes, and isotherms in order to aid professionals in locating hotspots and making quick decisions. With a simultaneous split-screen zoom, the Mavic 3T's thermal and zoom cameras support 28 times continuous side-by-side digital zoom. DJI O3 Enterprise transmission possesses a maximum control range of 15 kilometers, allowing the Mavic 3 Enterprise drones to fly further and transmit more stable signals. It provides a high frame rate live feed at 1080p/30 fps. The Mavic 3 Enterprise series features improved obstacle sensing and navigation systems. Its drones are equipped with DJI AirSense, which receives ADS-B signals from traditional aircraft in the area to warn drone pilots of other air traffic nearby. New accessories, new software. The Mavic 3 Enterprise series also comes with a variety of new accessories and software, such as the DJI RC Pro Enterprise remote controller, which features a 1000 nit high-brightness screen for clear visibility in direct sunlight and a built-in microphone for clear communication. The RTK module enables surveying professionals to achieve centimeter-level accuracy with support for network RTK, custom network RTK services, and the DRTK2, Mobile Station High Precision GNSS receiver. Another new addition is a speaker enabling pilots to broadcast a message from above to assist in search and rescue operations. New software offerings include the DJI Pilot 2 Flight Interface, the DJI Flight Hub 2 Cloud Operations Management software for drone fleets, the DJI Terra Mapping software, and the DJI Thermal Analysis Tool 3.0. The Mavic 3 Enterprise series also includes cutting-edge security features like local data mode, which will stop the DJI Pilot 2 flight control app from sending or receiving any data over the internet while activated. Also available is DJI Care Enterprise, a protection plan that provides the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series with coverage for accidental damage. DJI also offers a lifetime maintenance program for Mavic 3 Enterprise drones, providing deep clean, parts inspection, update and calibration, easily worn parts replacement and core components replacement with official maintenance report.